Today I'm going to be going over how to change an engine air filter in this Nissan Rogue. This is the 3rd generation and this will work from 2021 up to 2026. So let's get into it. Hit the hood release there. Get our secondary release, boom. Find where the hood stand goes, boom, right there. And then this is our engine air filter compartment. We have our 2 hooks here, and then on the back right there and down over here, like right there, hard to see, but there's another hook. So you pop these and this is gonna pull off and up. So when you go put it back on, you have to stick those in and then press down. Cool. And this guy, you just grab, pop that off, pop that off. So those 2 clips there, then you kind of raise up, but don't lift all the way. Just bring it up maybe 1/4 inch and then pull out. And that's gonna release you to get in there. Now there is an attachment, there is a sensor attached here, so you can't pull it all the way off. If you need to do that, then you need to disconnect that guy there. But you only need this to come up this much. Then you can reach in, grab your filter, and this is a pretty new filter for mine, so I'm just doing this as a demonstration, and you pull it out. Now, this has leaves and sticks and stuff. A good idea is when you pull it out, go ahead and vacuum out down in here if you can get in there or if you see stuff. And also sometimes animals will crawl up or chew a hole and get in here and like to nest in there. And then when you turn the vehicle on, they die and you will find them in there. So this, I'm gonna pull and just shake all these leaves out. I got sucked in there. If I was replacing this is relatively new. There is it's usually around 10,000 miles or so that they say replace this, but every manufacturer is different. There's the part number. I will put a link in the description for this part, which I do make a commission on all the parts I sell. It helps me run the channel, so I do appreciate it if you use those. But here are the part numbers on the filter. Another thing you can do is just write up here, let's just say this was 4/26, just so you know the month and year when you go to replace the new one. Then we put this in here like so. Also, I will put a link to a basic filter, just your bargain filter, and I'll put a premium filter in there like a K&N. I do like the premium ones, but I also know that it's budgets are tight sometimes. Now down in here and on the other side, these are the hooks. They need to be in place. These shouldn't be super hard. Here's our first click. Yeah. Actually, that took a little bit of pressure to get that first clip on, but as you look around this edge, you should not see any gaps. So I'm just gonna feel here and just make sure both of these pieces are met. And I'm also gonna look back here at this piece down in here that hooks in. It's hard to see with the camera. And then I'm gonna put this in. Now I have to put some pressure down and lift and pop that guy into here. Now we're in, none of the edges are exposed, and we're ready to go. If this is helpful, leave a thumbs up and a comment, and we'll catch you next time.